Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page on this snowy Wednesday morning. Many areas picking up 1 to 3 inches. You get over towards the Flint area where some of the warnings are. They've picked up as much as 6 or more inches in some areas. And I think a general 1 to 3 inches could fall yet this morning in the advisory and warning areas, and maybe an inch or two outside of that. But again, we got more snow moving in tonight as another upper low will pivot around the main low, and we'll show you that on the weather map. And again, we do have those winter storm warnings and advisories out. 1 to 3 inches this morning in some areas, and then another round of light to moderate snow tonight will bring into tomorrow. We'll bring another 1 to 4 inches, if not possibly some more in isolated areas. Yesterday's high, we had 33, a low of 28, about 1/1800ths of an inch of liquid equivalent, 1.9 inches of snow, 2 inches on the ground this morning. Storm total 2.4. That takes us now above normal for an entire season. Anything beyond that now will just be bonus. We're at 40.8 inches, or about 101.8% of the normal annual snowfall. And you can see so far for March, pretty chilly, -3 degrees below normal per day. And you can take a look at the snowfall for each month so far this season, adding up to those 40 inches of snow. And if we look at the weather map this morning, again, conditions are pretty uniform with the cloud cover, mainly in the upper 20s across most of the areas. Again, Newaygo, the cold spot at 26, in the low 30s down near the Detroit area. You can see on this morning's weather map that low pressure system will only very slowly creep to the north, and as it does, it's going to pinwheel another upper wave through the area later on tonight into tomorrow. And again, that's going to bring another round of at least light snow, maybe moderate snow in some areas. You can see the areas where they're depicting some heavier snow today. We could see several more inches of snow here today, a couple more inches tonight, and then a couple more inches tomorrow. And again, I think the area from around Alpena down to about Houghton Lake, over towards between Grand Rapids and say Alma, and then down towards Jackson. That area is off to the east. I think had the best chance of getting a little bit more in the way of accumulating snow tonight into tomorrow. And you can see on radar how this upper low is just pinwheeling that snow. Again, been pretty good snows across Mount Collin County. They are shifting a little bit now into the Gratiot County, so I expect we'll see a little more in my area here over the next couple of hours, at least another inch or two in some areas. And again, the areas hit pretty hard has been around that Flint area just to the east of Lansing. But again, a lot of snow across much of the area. And again, we expect this area of snow here associated with an upper wave is going to get pulled down once this low moves off to the east to join up with a parent low. And if we look at snowfall amounts, the very, very latest, this is a 12Z, just came out, and this shows mainly for later on today into tonight and tomorrow. You can see some significant snows, maybe half a foot of snow as you get up into the thumb areas. I do expect they may drop some of these advisories, or they may not. It just depends on how persistent the snow is. But certainly we'll see, I think, more winter weather advisories, if not winter storm warnings in parts of the thumb area, possibly even down towards Lansing and up towards Mount Pleasant. But I think the best bet is more winter weather advisories across the eastern portion of the Grand Rapids County watch area. And I think winter weather advisories for much of the Detroit coverage area, with, I think, a good chance we could see winter storm warnings over in the thumb area with this snow. As far as the forecast goes today, currently we've got a couple counties under winter storm warnings and advisories that may briefly be able to end those later on this afternoon, but they may not as well. Highs today will be in the mid-30s, really right on through the weekend. You can see hardly no temperature change. Mid-30s by day, mid to upper 20s at night. And again, 1 to 3 inches possible in some areas this morning, another 1 to 4 tonight into tomorrow, making it a very snowy period coming up. And then I think we'll see more in the way of sunshine over the weekend. But we're watching another interesting system that could bring more of a mixed bag or snow as we get into early next week. So again, continuation of a pretty active weather pattern and a very wintry feel out there. For Weather Watch this morning, you can see a lot of the areas under winter weather advisories, our 2 counties under the winter storm warning, and we got those advisories extended up into northern lower Michigan as well. And again, more snow coming in for tonight and tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day. Drive careful, and 73s to all.